how to fix account recovery in progress Apple ID. So if you want to fix your account recovery in progress in Apple ID, then let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open any browser and go with support.apple.com. Then select your device like iPhone. I'll go and select the iPhone and then scroll down to find the Get Support option. You can scroll all the way down and you will find Get Support, which is right here. You need to tap on it. Tap on Start Now. And then you can just scroll down and then click on More. And under your More products, you need to tap on App Store. And after choosing App Store, you need to click on Continue. And then go and select a topic. Like for example, I'll go with Apple account. And then again, go and select anything. And here you'll have an option to call or contact the Apple support. You can go with Get More Help, which will be on the bottom, and then you can start in messages. You can chat in messages, or you will also have call. You can just tap on Get Support, and then you will be able to call Apple support when you're ready. You can tap on the number, and it will basically fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.